Once you receive your RE3 pack, place both ice core blankets into your freezer and allow them to freeze overnight. Each RE3 pack includes 2 ice core blankets, allowing an easy rotation, so you'll always have one ready when you need it. Ensure your freezer is set to -18 degrees for optimal treatment. When storing your ice core blankets, always lay them flat, away from freezer items, particularly sharp or heavy objects that could damage the pockets. When properly frozen, the ice core blankets should appear milky white but remain malleable. Before use, allow the ice core blanket to sit at room temperature for about 10 minutes to soften slightly. Then insert it securely inside of your RE3 brace and take it to your resting area. Position the brace over your knee, securing the middle strap over your kneecap first. Then fasten the top and bottom straps to secure the fit. When applying the RE3 brace, make sure there are no gaps or air pockets between the brace and your knee. Straps are secured firmly but comfortably. Compression is even across the knee. If not, you may need to leave your ice core blanket out longer. Never apply the RE3 pack directly to bare skin. Always use a 2B grip or light towel between your skin and the pack to avoid cold burns or frostbite. If you have circulatory issues or reduced sensitivity, consult your doctor before using RE3. Your surgeon recommends using a bra and wedge pillow while using RE3 to help elevate the knee correctly. It's designed specifically for post-operative support, promoting better circulation and swelling reduction. To set up, sit down and slowly swing your straight leg over onto the pillow with your RE3 brace on. Ensure your leg is elevated above heart level. Your knee should rest comfortably in the groove, fully supported. Double check that your RE3 brace is still secure with no gaps or loose areas for air pockets. Treat for 20 minutes unless your surgeon has recommended otherwise. Remove RE3 when doing quad and flexion exercises. Stick to these steps and you're setting yourself up for the best possible recovery after knee surgery.